BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here to do a super scary thing. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I have tried to do this twice now. Last year I believe I tried to do this twice, and I'm hopefully confident that it will work this time. But you already saw the title. Today I'm going to be piercing my belly button, but I'm going to get it on the bottom of my belly button because I really like that look, and I've been looking back on pictures that I did have my belly button piercing and I miss it so bad. So that is what we're going to do. So I'm super nervous. Oh my gosh. So this is the kit I got off Amazon here. Let's see. So I just got a, let's see if you can see. Let me turn these lights down a little bit. So it's like a little jewel here. They have the 14 gauge needle, which is what's recommended for a belly button piercing, and then they have alcohol pads here for sterilizing the area. And then they have I don't know what these are called. So these are what the piercers use to kind of just pinch your skin together so that they have a clear view of the in and out of the piercing. They have the gloves, which is some simple black gloves here. And that is it that came in the kit. I want to say it was like $14, $15, something like that. But again, I'm going to leave it down in the description below. And then I also picked up some sterilizer, which this is the H2 Ocean. I've seen a lot of good reviews on it, so I got this one. I got my 2 piercings from a professional. They did give me a solution for it, which did not look like this, but I like this one because it's just spray on. So I got this, and that is it. So whew, I'm like out of breath. I'm so scared because the last time I tried to pierce it, it hurt so freaking bad. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to think about it too bad. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that, and yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the point where I start piercing my belly button. Okay guys, so I could not pierce my own belly button, so we are here to get it professionally done. On a scale of 1 to 10, how fast is my heart beating? It's probably a 30 right now. I'm super nervous because the last time I got my belly button pierced was when I had to get it through scar tissue, which at the time I didn't know it was scar tissue, and that you shouldn't pierce through scar tissue. But today, instead of piercing the top, since I have gotten my top belly button pierced about 3 times, and the last time I feel like it just scarred me so bad about it, and I've been putting off getting my belly button pierced again. But today is the day to get it done. But the reason I have decided to get it done by a piercer is because my pain tolerance is so little, so it's very easy for me to back out of it when I'm doing it myself. It's just like, oh my god, I feel pain, even on like the smallest little tiny touch, and with the piercer it's less backing out of it. Of course, if you probably really don't want to do it, I think the piercer will understand, but if it's already going through, you're more likely to just get it done, because it would just be like almost a 5-second pain, rather than you just putting yourself through torture. So if you have a low tolerance, I recommend you actually just going to a piercer. It's just going to be a lot easier, and more likely you will end up having a belly button piercing versus you doing it yourself, and you might not end up having one. You might just end up going through pain for no reason, you know. So the kit on Amazon is about $15, and at this particular piercer, the piercing is only going to cost $20. That's including the jewelry and everything that they do. So $5 more to make sure that that same day you're gonna have the piercing, and everything goes right there. Pretty experience, like do your research and all that good stuff. So I think it's almost better just to go get yourself pierced. But I'm gonna have this video up anyways, even though it's a fail video, obviously, because I was supposed to do it myself. But is it really a fail if I'm getting it done? But I don't have it done yet, so hopefully I get it done. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you my little belly button, which y'all seen some of it in the first part of the video, but this is where I got my first belly button pierced like 3 times. We're gonna get the bottom part done now, so hopefully everything goes out good and this one doesn't reject, because that's what happened to my first one, which makes sense because they went through the scar tissue. My body already rejected it twice before that. So but this piercer, I did tell him that it happened about 3 times, and they did ask, they were gonna just check it out and make sure I didn't have scar tissue, which then we decided that we were gonna just do the bottom where there's no scar tissue, and I hadn't had a belly button piercing yet. So I do like the top look better than the bottom, but the bottom kind of looks good too. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, because I really want a belly button piercing. So I'm gonna go through this 10-second pain and die. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and go in. Hopefully they let me record. If they do, then you guys will kind of see, and I'll try to leave some audio in of me screaming, okay, because I'm gonna be screaming.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
Alright guys, so the pain is a thing in the past now, and I finally got it. Yay! Belly button piercing for the 5th time. So I did get the bottom, because I did have a lot of scar tissue on the bottom. But she was about to do the top, but I said no, because last time I was just, guys, it hurt so bad. And this time it hurt, I mean, trust me, it's gonna hurt regardless, especially if you have a low tolerance for pain. It's gonna hurt on a scale to 1 to 10. It's gonna probably hurt at least a 7 or an 8 on just normal with no scar tissue. With the scar tissue, I'm telling you, it's like 15.